We got all these fruits and veggies, and now I'm kind of wondering what I eat for lunch.
What you're eating for lunch?
Like
after my big Costco haul, you have
yeah, I mean, we have a ton of produce.
I know, look at this. It's beautiful. I love it.
Yeah, I just don't know what to eat for a meal now. That's kind of the, and we just spent how much?
I bought you pita and turkey.
Yeah, I guess I'll have some pita turkey cheese. A little greens from Grandpa's greenhouse there. Yeah. Our summer's over, basically, right?
For us.
Hence, there's this going on in the backyard right now. So with school starting, we're trying to get our kids on track, right? We're trying to get them to get the school year off right. Our son Stuart, he's our 10-year-old. He struggles from time to time with stuttering, goes off and on. In the past, like when we've seen him struggle with it, like Laura has done a number of different cleanses and stuff with him in the past, and the results are actually pretty good. And
whether it's placebo or it actually works doesn't really matter to me because it's helped him. And so I talked to him last night about school starting. You know, do you want to do this cleanse?
Why am I so low right here? I'm in the middle of the couch. I feel like you're like 6 inches taller than me. He
wanted to do this cleanse to get the school year started right. So we're starting today. Today is day 1. And for some reason, 9 days is what he wants. 9 is the magic number.
He's like, Laura's like, how long should we do this for? And he's like, 9 days. So
yeah. We've done 3 days before. We've done 30 days. This go around is going to be 9 days.
So Laura just went to Costco and spent a crazy amount of money.
Oh, he is so wet.
Got neighbor kids in the pool just ripping their way through the bathroom.
Oh my gosh. So I went to Costco this morning. It was a bit pricier than our average Costco haul.
Calories are cheap. Health is steep.
Oh, yeah.
So that's a saying that we live by. We don't really live by. But.
However, I look at it as food is medicine.
Yes.
And traditional medicine and going to doctors is really expensive. But we don't do that.
And food doesn't cure. We're not claiming that
it
can cure anything or whatever. But eating healthy really does.
I think it makes a huge difference.
Preventative maintenance, we'll call it a little bit. Why are you so much more tan than I am? Didn't go in the sun for a week and I'm just...
You're fine. Yes.
Especially with our kids and their health, and Stuart's with his history of juvenile arthritis in his knees. Like him eating healthy, him going off sugar, him doing these cleanses makes a huge difference.
Yeah, I think that's really actually cured him.
Yeah, it has.
And so it's medicine. Yep. And so spending a little bit extra to really dial it in and start the year off right, do this cleanse. Yeah, I'm all for it.
Honestly, and there's gonna be a lot of, you're gonna share a lot of the recipes like on Instagram.
I make juices, smoothies, breakfast bowls, experiment with some different dinners that are gonna be full of veggies and all the good stuff.
One of the things that Laura's really good at is actually taking, and when she's doing a cleanse, not just like doing straight juicing, just eating really clean and healthy. And so like, what are some of your favorite recipes that you're gonna be making? So on the IG.
One that I'm excited for is gonna be like a potato waffle that we're gonna put some scrambled eggs on and then a homemade salsa that is like so good.
Super good.
It's a good way to get a lot of veggies packed in, that veggies that like Stu would not eat otherwise, like red peppers, I got some tomatoes, we'll do lime, we'll do tomatillos, onion, garlic, all the good stuff, cilantro, all those things. But when they're all blended together, he loves a good salsa.
Super good.
What's your favorite part of it?
The salsa.
Cucumber
mint cooler coming up.
Cooler, that's really tasty. What else?
Also one that's, I mean, I don't know that I have a name for it yet, but the beet, carrot, orange, lemon.
Ginger. That one's money. Yeah, some really good stuff on there. Some of our favorite clean recipes. Check it out.
So for the salsa, I don't really want him having tortilla chips this week, but I did find these at Costco. I love plantain chips. I've never tried this kind, but I think for the salsa, when he wants to dip chips, this is what I'm gonna have him use. Watermelon, he loves pineapple. Lots of apples just for like snacking or in our juices. Always bananas. Always.
Bananas.
Dad, Mom went crazy on bananas.
I went bananas on bananas, dude. Right?
Yeah.
Those bananas are the best. So many bananas.
Never have enough bananas.
Never enough.
Hello. Yeah, you have a shortage of bananas? I don't know what to tell you. I mean,
So we freeze them or we'll just have them, he loves them plain. And then I also got this, I've never bought it before, but he loves ramen noodles, which I never let him have anymore. But I'm gonna try to find like a good ramen soup recipe for some dinners this week using this. So, of like egg whites and cauliflower basically. So I thought for like a breakfast, maybe like the first day of school breakfast, we'll do like crepes so that he can have these.
as Laura has indicated before, this is where we splurge.
This is where we buy
Healthy food.
spend our money.
We don't really go out to eat. Just stuff like this. This is where we spend our money.
Brussels sprouts. Stu loves Brussels sprouts, so I made sure to get a bunch of veggies that he likes. He does not love mushrooms, but I'm gonna try to get creative. I love cottage cheese, however, I'm gonna try to not eat it this week. I'm gonna do no dairy for the week for me and Stu. But we were totally out, and when I'm done, I'm gonna want some cottage cheese.
Grandpa Garden.
Grandpa
Freshness right there.
greens. I'm gonna juice a lot, so I got carrots, lemons in juice. I think are just make it so much better. I got oranges to add in smoothies and for juice, and then a lot of celery for Paul.
Love our celery.
Mostly. But we will also juice some celery this week for me and Stu. A lot of smoothies.
Oh.
A lot of smoothies. So, all the frozen fruits. Papaya, dragon fruit, blueberries. I also love to do the wild blueberries, but we'll do this one as well. Strawberries, mangoes.
Hey, what is this right here?
Huh?
What do we have right here?
What do you think?
That's my little.
It's yours.
That's my little freezer action right there, you guys. The best ice cream money can buy right there.
So when we do rice this week, I'm gonna have me and Stu do the cauliflower rice. We love these in the air fryer. They're such an easy veggie in the air fryer. You excited? 9-day cleanse, right here. Heck yeah. Killing it, all for the cleanse, all for the good of the body, huh?
Okay, there you go.
What else you gonna eat?
Banana.
Got a little rice, a little avocado, gluten-free wrap. You like that one? What day are we on?
9.
3.
It's a good one. It's
Cheers,
like
buddy.
always not a good one.
Cheers. Hey, cheers me. You want to cheers, Eames? How is it?
It's not.
Right? It's delicious.
I'm saying it's not delicious. I'm saying it's
Eames,
not
do you like it?
They always have this one.
Oh, just chug it. Chug, chug, chug. Chug, chug. How's the dragon fruit bowl?
Good.
What's your favorite breakfast?
Grapes.
Crepes and then what?
This.
Yeah. It's a winner.
Oh, why did you call it dragon fruit bowl?
Because that's what it is. It's made out of dragon fruit.
What's dragon fruit?
It's the same thing as papaya.
That. Can I have a shake, Mom? The purple one that you always make?
You want a purple shake?
Yes. The always one.